Hi.
Adam. So that camera's going to be taped to Alex's stylish helmet. And so their base is in the front yard, our base is in the backyard, and so we're going to be doing that. So please put that on Alex's head and head to the front yard.
Yeah.
And that's good. That phone's gonna be on the other team. All right. Hope you can see this. Hi guys.
I don't actually know if they can see this, but let's hope.
Let's hope. Let's hope.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's still recording.
All right. Good. All right.
Let's go! Woo!
So it's me and Alex versus Adam and Will.
All right, guys, we're going to scream go when we get over there.
Got it!
Guys, the rules are one shot and you have to go back to your base.
Yes. Nobody with
Dude. Should we get the dirt bikes?
Oh. So they're mostly in the backyard. Honestly.
No, let's not. No, let's not.
Yeah, because literally they don't make a difference. Oh, there's
Yeah.
a bullet right there. Sweet.
Oh, sweet. Do you have enough? Or like your gun's filled? Because I'm missing 2 in my big gun. And I have 6 in the other.
Don't use this bullet.
Okay.
Oh, you're using that bullet?
It looks like a french fry with the ketchup.
It's a trigger happy one.
Let's go. Move in. It looks like I have a taser on my hand.
Alright, get that rough cut ready. Load it. Is it loaded?
It's on.
If the bullets
They screamed.
If the bullets,
Let's go!
if the bullets pop out, just take out the bullet and replace it with a new one.
Yeah.
Hit that. Make sure the phone is facing. I see the.
Woo!
I see the. Oh, dude,
Switching.
They're using sucky guns.
Okay.
Take out your handgun.
Yeah, I'm switching.
Is it loaded?
Wait. No, I'm putting my handgun back. Will, watch for Will. I don't know where he went.
Make sure the camera.
I think he's in the pool area.
The camera where you're looking.
Yeah, I know. Adam's right there in the bush, tree bush. I'll look for Will. Wait, watch out. Dumpster. The gate's open. The gate is open. Watch for Will. Watch out for in the dumpster.
You handle on.
Watch for Will. Do you have 2 bullets in that?
Watch out! Circle them! Drop them!
Ian, watch. Ian. Adam's on me. Oh God! I got you!
Adam, I'm dead! Adam!
I need more. I'm missing 2 bullets.
Doesn't matter. Let's go.
No, I want 2 more bullets.
Come on, Alex, go.
Why? Ian, this is your gun. Okay. Where?
Oh, I got it. Come here.
Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. Probably couldn't see that. Where is it, Ian?
Right here.
Okay.
All right, come on.
Yeah, I might have to use my pistol.
All right, so they
What
have
if
one
we're-
more life. We have two. We have
Yeah.
two.
Let's use
Well,
it for
we
the
have
best.
the advantage.
Let's
Make
use
sure
it.
that's tight on your chest.
Yeah. I don't know if they could see that battle, but I just knocked Will out. I missed with 2, but
I lost my handgun, but it really doesn't matter because that handgun sucks.
yeah.
I don't
No,
need a handgun.
I missed the first shot. They both scattered Will, but then I hit him with the second shot, and then I hit Adam in the face.
Yeah.
So, do you wanna flank to the pool?
Let's go. Wait, there's a ball.
Are you ready? Wait! Where are you? You good?
Yeah, we started.
Oh, you already started?
Yeah.
Ian, they started. Watch. There's your good and happy Will, guys. Shoot me. Shoot me. I see Adam. Adam's in the bushes. Adam's in the bushes. Ian. Ian, back up, back up. Ian. Are you playing? Oh. Are you down?
No.
Okay. Adam just has a sword.
You have to turn your whole body.
I know.
Not just your head.
Let's go. See where they are. Can you guys see? Can you guys see over? Guys.
Oh, I saw them. They're behind you.
Yeah. Adam's probably gonna go behind that. I see
No,
him.
I see us.
Let's go. Move in. Ian, you going first. You're rambling on, Adam?
Freaking cutlass. Get him. Get out.
Watch out for Will. I got you.
I got you in the shoulder.
No, I shot you first.
Oh, so we both got each other at the same time. We both have a light. We're both down.
Fine.
That's mine.
What?
It fell out of my gun.
Oh, here we go. I need
The
2.
green one is yours because that was already here.
Okay. Wait, I need another one though. Wait, can I go back and? Ian, I'm still in. Three, 2, 1. I'm respawned. Woo! Are we doing a round 2? I got shot in the shoulder by Will. Oh! We're not filming? Okay.
That's.
Get your gun.
That was great. Thanks for watching. See you later.